least I can read. I used to need somebody to sit and read to me. I'd look at every page they read and listen carefully. But now that I am in the first grade, I'm filling up a shelf with stories, poems, and other books that I can read myself. Poet Ruth Enkin. Chapter 1. Just one question. One day, a wise man came to the court of Emperor Akbar.
Your Majesty, people say that your minister, Birbal, is very intelligent.
You are right. He is intelligent.
I want to test him. Can he answer my questions?
Sure. Birbal, are you ready?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The wise man then turned to Birbal.
Would you like to answer 100 easy questions or just one difficult question?
I'm in a hurry. Ask me just one difficult question.
Which came first in the world, the chicken or the egg?
Let me think. The chicken came first.
How do you know?
You have asked me one difficult question. You cannot ask more questions.
Very clever.
I am proud of you, Birbal. Chapter 2. Naughty Monkey. Lumpy is a little naughty monkey. It is a fine day. Lumpy is playing with its siblings. Their mother is watching their play. Lumpy is jumping and swinging on the branches of the mango tree. Jumpy, the elephant, is standing under the mango tree. It is sleeping. Oh! Lumpy slips and falls on Jumpy's back.
What a good ride! I love it!
Laughs Lumpy. Jumpy is angry. Who is it? Jumpy lifts its trunk and trumpets. Now Lumpy is afraid. Lumpy climbs up the tree. Jumpy laughs. Naughty Lumpy calls its mother.
Mother, please help me. The elephant is very big.
Lumpy says. Lumpy's mother says, You are very naughty. You have disturbed the elephant in its sleep. Now you must go and say sorry to it.
I am so sorry,
says Lumpy to Jumpy. It's okay. Come, I will give you a ride, says Jumpy, the nice elephant. Lumpy is very happy and they both laugh. Lumpy and Jumpy become friends. Chapter 3. A Visit to the Zoo. Anisha, along with her brother Anshul, goes to a zoo. They see many animals there. Anshul.
What's in that cage?
Anisha.
It's a cat. No, it's not. Is it a tiger? No, it's a lion. It's the king of the jungle. What's on the tree? I can't see. I will give you a hint. It is green in color and it can fly. Is it a butterfly? No. Try again. Is it a bee? No, it's not a bee. It's a parrot. Okay, now let's eat something. I have an orange. What's the color of an orange? Orange. I have a yellow banana and a red apple. Let's eat them.
Peels the banana and throws the peel on the ground.
What have you done? Pick it up. I have no time. The sweeper will come and pick it up.
He runs and steps on the peel and falls down. Anisha helps him to get up.
Now pick up the peel and throw it into the dustbin. I am sorry. I will just do that. Where's the dustbin? It's there. Read what is written on it.
Loudly.
Use me.
Chapter 1. The Alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Small letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Special letters: the letters A, E, I, O, and U are called special letters or vowels. The colored letters in the following words are special letters: horse, cat, juice, jug, hen. Chapter 2. Naming words. Look at these sentences. Aman is talking to his father. That is a table. This is a rat. That is my car. All the highlighted words in the above sentences are naming words or nouns. We can give a name to everything, such as persons, Arushi, Yash, places, Delhi, Mumbai, things, table, chair, animals, dog, cat. Names of persons, places, things, and animals are called nouns. Proper nouns. Special names given to persons, places, animals, and things are called proper nouns. Read the story of Anushka to find out the proper nouns. I am Anushka. I live in Mumbai. Chota Bheem is my favorite cartoon. I like Amul ice cream. All the highlighted words are special names and are called proper nouns. Remember, all proper nouns begin with capital letters. Common nouns. Common nouns refer to nouns in general. Now, read the story of Katrina to find out about common nouns.
I am Katrina. I like flowers. My favorite flower is rose. I like to play games. Badminton is my favorite game. My brother likes toys. Teddy bear is his favorite toy.
All the highlighted words are common nouns. Learn some more proper nouns. Days of the week.
There are 7 days in a week.
Months of the year.
There are 12 months in a year.
Names of festivals are proper nouns. They always begin with capital letters. Holi falls in the month of March. Independence Day falls on August 15. Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. Diwali falls in the month of October or November. Chapter 3. One and many. This is one ball. One is singular. Here are more than one ball. More than one is plural. Singular, one. Plural, more than one. Boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Frog, frogs. We add s to make a plural. We also add es to some words to make them plural. Tomato, tomatoes. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Bus, buses. Chapter 4. Male and female. There are two kinds of gender in nouns: masculine gender and feminine gender. All males are of masculine gender. Example: man, cock, etc. All females are of feminine gender. Example: woman, hen, etc. Chapter 1. Pre-number concepts. More, less. Kitty has more lollipops. Maisie has less lollipops. Top, bottom. Maisie is at the top of the hut. Kitty is at the bottom of the hut. Above, below. The aeroplane is flying above the flyover. The bus is moving below the flyover. On, under. Kitty is sleeping on the table. Maisie is eating under the table. Inside, outside.
Hi, I'm Tommy.
Tommy is inside the kennel. Maisie is outside the kennel. Right, left. Kitty is to the right of Tommy. Maisie is to the left of Tommy. Chapter 2. Numbers from 1 to 9. Count the number of fingers, read the number aloud, and raise the numbers and number names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number 0. Read and learn. There are 3 animal friends on the swing. Tommy goes away. How many friends are left? Kitty goes away. How many friends are left? Maisie also goes away. Now there is no one on the swing. We say there are 0 friends on the swing. The number name for 0 is 0. Before, between, and after. Look at the number strip. Before, between, after. We can see that the number 3 comes just before 4. The number 5 comes just after 4. And the number 4 is between 3 and 5. Comparison of numbers. Maisie has 6 books. Kitty has 4 books. 6 is greater than 4. The symbol for greater than is? So, we write 6 is greater than 4. 4 is less than 6. The symbol for less than is? So, we write 4 is less than 6.
The broader end faces the greater number. The pointed end faces the smaller number.
Out of the 6 books, Maisie gives 1 to Kitty. Now, each of them has 5 books. They have equal number of books. The symbol for equal to is? So, we write 5 is equal to 5. Smallest and biggest numbers. Look at the numbers on the circular card. Tommy wants the card with the smallest number. So he takes 4. Kitty wants the card with the biggest number. So she takes 9. Arranging the numbers in order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Ascending means going upwards. Descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Descending means coming downwards. Chapter 3. Addition. Addition means putting the things together. We use the symbol plus for addition. It is called plus. 2 balloons put together with 4 balloons gives 6 balloons. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. We say 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 is called the sum of 2 and 4. Properties of addition. The change in the order of the numbers will not change the answer. The numbers to be added are called addends. Let us count the number of apples. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. When 0 is added to any number, it gives the same number. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. forward counting for addition. The numbers 0 to 9 are written on the number strip. Let us add 3 and 4 using the number strip. Keep your finger on number 3 of the number strip and then move 4 steps forward. You will reach number 7. So, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Vertical addition. We can also add numbers by arranging them vertically. See the following example. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is the same as 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 is the vertical addition of numbers 3 and 2. This form of addition is called vertical addition or column addition. Adding 3 numbers. To add 3 numbers, first add any 2 numbers and then add the third number to the sum. Let us find the sum of 4, 2 and 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. We can also do vertical addition. The answer remains the same. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. You get the same answer. Add the first and second number. Then, add the third number to it. Horizontal addition of 3 numbers. While adding 3 numbers, we can add the numbers in any order. See the example. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Chapter 4. Subtraction. Taking away some objects from the given group or collection is called subtraction. We use the symbol minus for subtraction. It is called minus. Maisie has 6 balloons. Kitty takes 4 balloons. Now 2 balloons are left with Maisie. From 6 balloons, take away 4 balloons. It leaves 2 balloons. We can write it as 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We say 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 is called the difference of 6 and 4. Properties of subtraction. When you subtract a number from itself, the answer will be 0. Examples: 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. Examples: 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7.
Subtraction is also crossing out some objects from a group.
Subtraction by backward counting. Let us subtract 5 from 8 by using the number strip. Keep your finger on number 8 on the number strip. Move it 5 steps backward. You will reach 3. So, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Vertical subtraction. We can also subtract the numbers by arranging them vertically. Look at the following example. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the same as 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2 is the column form for subtracting 2 from 4. This form of subtraction is called vertical subtraction or column subtraction.
Before subtracting, we write the smaller number below the bigger number. Draw as many lines as the bigger number. Then cross as many lines as the smaller number. Finally, count the lines which remain uncrossed to get the answer.
Chapter 5. Numbers from 10 to 20. There are 9 caps. 1 more joins. Now there are 10 caps. 9 ones plus 1 1 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones make 110. 110 is written as 10 and read as 10. 10 has 2 places. 0 is in the right place called ones place, and 1 is in the left place called tens place. Numbers from 11 to 20. Read and learn. 110 and 1 1 or 110 plus 1 1 is equal to 11. 110 and 2 ones or 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. 110 and 3 ones or 110 plus 3 ones is equal to 13. 110 and 4 ones or 110 plus 4 ones is equal to 14. 110 and 5 ones or 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15. 110 and 6 ones or 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. 110 and 7 ones or 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. 110 and 8 ones or 110 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. 110 and 9 ones or 110 plus 9 ones is equal to 19. 110 and 10 ones or 2 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 20. Chapter 1. Plants and their kinds. Plants are very useful to us. They grow all around us. Plants make our world beautiful. We can see plants in a garden, in a house, or in a park. We can also see plants in a forest or along the roadside. Kinds of plants. Some plants are big, while some are small. Plants grow in different shapes and sizes. The mango, peepal, neem, and coconut are big plants. Brinjal, tomato, mint, and tulsi are small plants. They cannot grow very tall. Do you know? Plants give out oxygen gas which humans and animals breathe in. Trees. Some plants live for many years. They are tall and strong. They are called trees. Some trees are thick. They grow straight and then spread out. For example, gulmohar, banyan, and apple trees spread out as they grow. Some trees are thin and straight. For example, coconut, ashoka, and pine trees are thin and straight. Herbs. Herbs are very small and seasonal plants. They have soft, thin, and green stems. Grass and spinach are herbs. They live for a few months. Shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. They have a stem thinner than that of a tree. Jasmine, cotton, and rose are shrubs. They live for many years. Do you know? Shrubs do not grow very high. Creepers. Some plants grow along the ground. They cannot grow upward. They are called creepers. Watermelon and pumpkin are creepers. Climbers. Some plants need some support to grow upward. They are so weak that they cannot grow upward on their own. Such plants are called climbers. Pea and grapevine are climbers or twines. Money plant is also a climber. Water plants. Some plants cannot grow on land. They grow only in water. They are called water plants. Lotus and water lily are water plants. Desert plants. Some plants can grow in places where there is very little water. Cactus and babool, kikar are common desert plants. Leaves. Plants have leaves. Leaves are usually green. The leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. The neem tree has small leaves, and the banana plant has big leaves. Some plants like rose and cactus have thorns. Thorns protect them from being eaten by animals. Do you know? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits are parts of a plant. Points to remember. Different types of plants grow in different places. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Those plants which grow along the ground are called creepers. Those plants which need support to grow upward are called climbers. Some plants have thorns. Chapter 2. Seeds grow into plants. Plants bear flowers. Some flowers change into fruit. The flowers of orange and apple change into fruit. New plants grow from seeds. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds. When we cut a fruit, we find seeds inside it. Some fruits like mango and lychee have only one seed. Some fruits like apples and oranges have a few seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Watermelon, muskmelon, and pomegranate have many seeds. Eatable seeds. Food grains like cereals and pulses are also seeds of plants. Pea, bean, moong, and gram are pulses. Wheat, rice and corn are cereals. New plant from seed. We can grow plants from seeds. There is a baby plant inside a seed. The baby plant can rest for a long period without growing. It starts growing when it gets air, water, and sunlight. Soon it grows into a tiny new plant. Do you know? Coco de Mer is the largest seed in the world. Points to remember. When we cut a fruit, we find seeds inside it. Food grains are seeds of plants. A seed needs air, water, and sunlight for growing into a new plant. Chapter 3. Food from plants. We eat food to live. We get food from various sources. Plants are the main source of food we eat. Fruit. We get fruits like apple, orange, banana, and mango from plants. Pulses and cereals. Some plants give us pulses and cereals. Moong, gram, and arhar are pulses. Wheat and rice are cereals. Corn is also a cereal. Vegetables. We also get vegetables from some plants like pea, cauliflower, brinjal, cabbage, carrot, radish, and spinach. Spices. Some plants give us spices like cloves, coriander, and turmeric. Spices add taste and color to our food. Beverages and sugar. Plants give us beverages like coffee and tea. We also get sugar from sugarcane plants. Points to remember. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, and spices from plants. Plants also give us coffee, tea, and sugar. We get sugar from sugarcane plants. Chapter 4. Animals of different kinds. We see different kinds of animals around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. Small and big animals. Some animals are small. Some animals are big. Animals like rat, cat, and squirrel are small. Animals like horse, lion, and elephant are big. Domestic animals. Some animals live with us in our homes or on farms. We domesticate them. They are called domestic animals. Animals like dog, cat, cow, camel, and horse are domestic animals. They are our friends. Wild animals. Some animals live in forests. They are called wild animals. We can also see them in a zoo. Animals like tiger, monkey, fox, deer, bear, and zebra are wild animals. We cannot tame them in our houses. Birds. Birds have wings and feathers. Wings help them to fly. Most birds like parrot, pigeon, crow, and sparrow can fly. Ostrich and kiwi are birds that cannot fly. Some birds can swim in water. Duck, goose, and swan are birds that can swim in water. Insects. Insects are tiny creatures. All insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings. Wings help them to fly. Mosquito, butterfly, cockroach, grasshopper, ant, housefly, and locust are insects. Do you know? Ants do not sleep in their whole life. Where do animals live? Some animals live on land. Animals like cow, dog, horse, lion, and elephant live on land. Some animals live on trees. Animals like squirrel and monkey live on trees. Most birds live in nests on trees. Some animals live in water. Fishes live in water. They swim with the help of fins. Some fishes are small and some are very big. Some people keep fishes as pet. Some animals live on land as well as in water. Frog, tortoise, and crocodile live on land as well as in water. Points to remember. Some animals are small. Some animals are big. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Animals that live in our homes or on farms are called domestic animals. Birds have wings and feathers. Wings help them to fly. Insects have 6 legs. Some animals live on land, some on trees, some in water, and some on land as well as in water. Chapter 2. Our Families. Father, mother, and their children together form a family. Our mother and father are our parents. All family members live together in a house. There are different kinds of families. Small family. Mother, father, and their 1 or 2 children together form a small family. A small family is also called a nuclear family. A small family is a happy family. I live with my parents and my sister in a small family. Large family. Mother and father with their more than 2 children together form a large family. My friend Tanish lives in a large family. Joint family. Parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and their children together form a joint family. A joint family is also a large family. Points to remember. Parents and children together form a family. Members of a family live together in a house. A small family is a happy family. A joint family is also a large family. Chapter 3. Sharing work. Sharing work is a good habit. All of us share work at home. My parents earn money for the family. My father is a doctor in a hospital. My mother works in an office. They work hard to give us what we need. My mother works at home too. She cooks food for us. She keeps the house clean. She helps me with my studies. She takes care of me when I am unwell. My father also helps my mother at home. He buys fruits and vegetables from the market. How we can help our parents? We can buy things from the nearby shop. We can water the plants in the garden. We can look after our pets. We can help our mother in the kitchen. We can receive and welcome our guests. We can help our grandparents also. Our father and mother feel happy when we help them. Points to remember. Father and mother earn money for the family. Our parents give us what we need. We can also help our parents at home. Chapter 4. Leisure time. Leisure time is our free time. We all have some free time. We enjoy in that free time. We have fun with our friends and family. At home, sometimes we listen to music. Sometimes we dance and sing. Sometimes we play indoor games like Ludo and Carom. Sometimes we play games on the computer. Sometimes we watch television. Outside home, sometimes we visit a fair. We like swings and rides the most. Sometimes we go to a circus. It is fun to watch the tricks of a clown. Sometimes we go to a restaurant. We enjoy eating delicious dishes. Sometimes we go to a zoo. We see many animals there. Points to remember. We have fun in our free time. We enjoy our free time in many ways. We share pleasant moments with our family and friends. Chapter 5. Our food. Food is our basic need. We need food to live. Food gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to grow too. It makes us healthy and strong. We eat many kinds of food items. We eat bread, chapatis, rice, butter, fruits and vegetables. We drink milk. Milk is a complete food. Chocolates, ice cream, burgers, noodles and pizzas are called junk food or fast food. They are not good for health. People who eat meat, fish and eggs are called non-vegetarians. They also eat cereals, fruits and vegetables. People who eat only cereals, fruits and vegetables are called vegetarians. They do not eat meat, fish and eggs. We have 3 meals a day. We have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. Table manners. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Do not talk or laugh at the dining table. Do not eat uncovered food. Always eat at fixed times. Do not waste food. Points to remember. We need food to live. Milk is a complete food. Fast foods are not good for health. We have 3 meals a day. Chapter 6. Our clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. They make us look smart. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Have a look at some of these common clothes. Different kinds of clothes. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas when it rains. Raincoats and umbrellas protect us from the rain. In the winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes protect us from the cold and keep us warm. When we go to school, we wear a uniform. We look smart in our school uniform. People who do special jobs also wear uniforms. We can identify them easily by the uniforms they wear. We wear colorful and fancy dresses on special occasions like weddings, birthdays, and festivals. Points to remember. We need clothes to cover our body. Cotton clothes keep us cool in summers. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winters. Raincoats and umbrellas save us from the rain. People who do special jobs wear uniforms.